Research from the University of Colorado attempts to explain why individuals who abstain entirely from alcohol face a higher risk of death than light drinkers. And once they divided the non-drinkers into several categories, researchers found several interesting pieces of data. Recent studies have claimed that drinking some alcohol may offer a protective effect, even reducing mortality risk. Published in Population Research and Policy Review, researchers examined whether varying characteristics among groups of non-drinkers could explain their relatively high risk of dying. Once they collected drinking habit data from a 1988 National Health Interview Survey of over 41,000 individuals in the U.S., and determining which of the respondents had died by 2006, lead author Professor Richard Rogers and his team were able to identify three major categories of non-drinkers. Abstainers had fewer than 12 drinks in their lives. Infrequent drinkers had less than 12 drinks a year, and former drinkers used to drink over 12 drinks a year. According to the study, the group of infrequent drinkers had only a slightly higher mortality risk when compared to the light drinkers. But former drinkers had the highest risk of all groups of non-drinkers at 38%. The researchers suggest that the reason behind this high rate is that many former drinkers were at one time alcoholics and had difficulties with alcohol abuse. Rogers concludes by stating that he thinks the idea that drinking could be somewhat beneficial appears to be overstated. There could be a number of other factors that lower mortality for light drinkers. It's not solely the act of drinking itself.